Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today I'm going to walk you through factory resetting your Honor Magic5 Pro. It's a pretty simple process. It's as simple as pulling down the notification bar, selecting the second settings cog. Once you've done that, scroll down to the bottom, select System and Updates, and then Reset within there. So you've got Reset All Settings, Reset Network Settings, but the one you want to use if you're factory resetting your phone is called Reset Phone. It will take all your different accounts off the phone. You press Reset Phone. It will then prompt you for your PIN code. It will give you extra information letting you know that you can reset. By doing this, you're going to erase all system data and installed apps. And once you do that, you press Reset, and the phone will restart and then get to its original factory settings. Or more accurately, it will go back to the factory settings of the latest firmware update you've installed. So you won't lose your software updates on the Honor Magic5 Pro. They'll just take off any data and setup data and just take it off your phone. And if you are giving your Honor Magic5 Pro to someone else, I always recommend double checking that you don't leave your SIM card in there. Anyway, this was a quick guide on how to factory reset your Honor Magic5 Pro. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. As you can see, Magic OS on this Honor Magic5 Pro is in the final stages of doing the factory reset. That was a simple walkthrough. Thanks for watching if you made it this far. I shall speak to you soon.